Morning students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to start with the same chapter number 2 of your NCERT book and exercise 2.5. I'm going to discuss with you few important questions, out of which the first question is question number 5 of your book, that write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. Now, when we have to write any number in expanded form, let us take an example of 20.05. We concentrate on the place value of each digit in the given number. Now, let us see what is the place value of 2 in first part, that is 20.03. It is tens place. Now, 0 comes at ones place, then decimal is there, and afterwards the 0 after the decimal, that is the 10th place, right? Tenths. Then 3 comes at 100th place. So what is the expanded form of the given number? It is 2 into 10 plus 0 plus 0.1 plus 0.03. That means 2 comes at 10th place and 3 comes at 100th place. So expanded form of the given number is 2 by 2 into 10 plus 3 upon 100, right? So let us now look at the second example of the same question. Right, it is 2.034. Now what is the place value of 2 here? It is ones. Place value of 0, 10th. Place value of 3, it is 100th place. Then place value of 4, it is 1000th place. So expanded form of 2.034 is 2 into 1 plus 3 upon 100 plus 4 upon 1000. Now 2 comes at ones place, 3 comes at 100th place, and 4 comes at 1000th place. Now I hope you have understood the concept of place value and the expanded form for the given decimal numbers. Let us now move to the next question of the same exercise. Right, it is again about finding out the place value of given digit 2 in the following decimal numbers. Now if you people have understood that what do you mean by the place value, as I explained in previous question, so this one will be very easy for you. Now what is the place value of 2 in this question? It is ones place. It is ones place, right? And what is the place value of 2 in second part? It comes at 10th place. That means 1 upon 10, right? That is how you find out the place value of given digit in the number. Now what if I say what is the place value of 5 in the given numbers? Find out the answer. Yes, place value of 5 in first part, it is 10th place. Place value of 5 in the second part, it is 100th place. This is very important thing to know, the place value of given numbers. With this, we move to the next question. It is a word problem. Now this is again important question. Look at it very carefully. Dinesh went from place A to place B, from there to place C. A is 7.5 kilometers from B and B is 12.7 kilometers from C. That means distance AB is equal to 7.5 kilometers and distance BC is equal to 12.7 kilometers. Ayub went from place A to place D. Then from there he went to place C. Now it has been said that D is 9.3 kilometers from C and C is 11.8 kilometers from D. That means distance AD is 9.3 and distance DC is 11.8 kilometers. Now two persons are there. Dinesh started from A, went to C via B. Ayub, he also started from A and ended to C, but he went through point D. So that means both the persons, they follow different routes. We have to find out that who traveled more and by how much. For this we need to calculate first the distance traveled by Dinesh as well as distance traveled by Ayub. Now how you are going to do that? Here is a picture with dimensions. Now the distance traveled by Dinesh when he went from place A to B was 7.5 and when he went from place B to C was 12.7. So the total distance traveled by Dinesh is AB plus BC, that goes for 20.2 kilometers, adding 7.5 and 12.7. Then Ayub, same with Ayub, distance traveled by Ayub when he went from place A to D plus from place D to C, that means adding both the distances AD and DC, 9.3 plus 11.8, that goes for 21.1 kilometer. So we need to compare 20.2 kilometer with 21.1 kilometer, and being the like decimal places, we find that 21.1 is greater than 20.2. That means Ayub travelled more than Dinesh. Now by the second part of question, by how much Ayub travelled more. So we'll subtract the distance travelled by Dinesh from the distance travelled by Ayub to get the answer as 0.9 kilometer. 0.9 kilometers, that means 900 meters. Right, this is how you get that Ayub travelled greater distance and by 900 meters, but they both reach the same point. So these were the questions of your exercise 2.5. I hope you have understood this exercise. Try to recapitulate the exercise once again, and if in case of any doubts, you can always contact me. Thank you.